Okay, how do we can randomize shuffle the content of a list? First, we need to import the shuffle function that is defined in the random module. So we write from random import shuffle, this function. Now we create a variable, we can call it numbers and assign this list literal. We write the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is the entire content of the number list. We can print the content using the print function. We write numbers and execute. This is the entire content 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we use the shuffle function, invoke this function and pass as argument the numbers list. We can now assign a print the content of the list. The shuffle function updates the numbers in the list. It randomizes the position of the numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, execute again and we get in this case 5, 3, 4, 1 and 2. The content has been randomized. Bye.